The on-balance volume, OBV indicator, is a momentum-based technical tool designed to measure the cumulative buying and selling pressure in a financial asset. Developed by Joseph Granville, the OBV is based on the premise that volume often precedes price movement, making it a valuable leading indicator for identifying potential trend reversals, breakouts, and market sentiment shifts. The OBV indicator works by calculating a running total of volume, where volume is added to the total if the price closes higher than the previous close and subtracted if the price closes lower. The result is a cumulative line that reflects the strength of buying and selling pressure over time. For example, a rising OBV line suggests strong buying pressure, while a falling OBV line indicates significant selling pressure. This simple calculation makes the OBV a powerful tool for gauging market momentum. One of the primary uses of OBV is trend confirmation. When the OBV line moves in the same direction as the price trend, it confirms that the trend is backed by strong volume. For example, in an uptrend, a rising OBV suggests that buying volume is supporting the price increase, reinforcing the bullish momentum. Conversely, in a downtrend, a falling OBV indicates sustained selling pressure, validating the bearish movement. This makes the OBV especially useful for identifying trends that are likely to continue. Another important application of the OBV is divergence analysis. Divergence occurs when the OBV line moves in the opposite direction of the price. For instance, if the price is making higher highs, but the OBV is making lower highs, it signals weakening buying pressure and a potential reversal to the downside. Similarly, if the price is making lower lows while the OBV is making higher lows, it suggests that selling pressure is diminishing, which could lead to a bullish reversal. These divergences often provide early warning signals that the prevailing trend may be losing strength. Implementing the OBV indicator is straightforward. Most trading platforms, such as TradingView or MetaTrader, include OBV as a standard indicator. To add it to your chart, navigate to the Indicators menu, search for OBV, and apply it. The indicator will appear as a line beneath the main price chart. Traders can then use the OBV line to confirm trends, identify divergences, and integrate its signals into their broader trading strategies. To maximize the effectiveness of OBV, traders often combine it with other technical indicators. For example, pairing OBV with moving averages can help confirm breakout levels, while using it alongside oscillators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, can provide additional confirmation of overbought or oversold conditions. This multi-indicator approach reduces the likelihood of false signals and enhances decision-making accuracy. In conclusion, the OBV indicator is a versatile and valuable tool for traders seeking to analyze market momentum and volume dynamics. By measuring the relationship between volume and price movement, OBV provides insights into the strength of trends and potential reversals. Its simplicity, combined with its effectiveness, makes it a must-have in any trader's toolkit. Whether used on its own or in conjunction with other indicators, the OBV can help traders make more informed and confident trading decisions.